It must get slippery when you hit the rock. Like you move in. You hopefully hit that rock. My bike is noisy on the road. I'm thinking down the road I would like to have my earplugs.
Much loud he wears them.
I think I'm going to start protecting my hearing maybe. Yeah.
We'll just put them in real loose.
First time today. He's going to go. Okay, sir. With a chainsaw.
I almost went right up the creek. I thought that was a...
It's not much further to the road, is it?
No.
They probably just went over that with their four-wheeler. I don't see any tracks though.